back to another video. Oh my goodness, that's loud. We're playing Toca Kitchen. So let's get right stuff into it and let's do this lady. So yeah, I heard you can do something weird. Let's grab this. I'm just grabbing weird stuff. I want to put the broccoli. Broccoli doesn't matter. What is this thing? This thing's weird. Let's put it in the smoothie. Oh, it's green inside. Oh. Let's add a bit of lemon. Yummy lemon. Turn that up. And some ketchup. Okay. Do you like it? Is it good? Ew, she doesn't. I mean, she doesn't like it. Here, try some broccoli. Good. Let's put this in the oven. I heard you gotta put it in like 3 times. It goes quick though. That should be good. Eat that. Hot, right? Is it hot? Okay, it's hot. Drink this if it's hot. That yummy ketchup. Let's grab some of that. Let's grab some of that. Some of this and some of this. Okay. Stay there. Let's all make it into a smoothie. Or actually, no. Actually, yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Pop that in there. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Okay. Add some of that. Just put that in there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So, yeah, this is really disgusting. Add some hot sauce. Some lemon, some mayo, some ketchup, some of that, some of this, some of that. Yeah. Now she's gonna drink it. Ew, don't do that on my screen, I'll kill you. Ugh, gross. Wipe that away. Okay. I'm going to give her 2 more meals, and these are going to be actually good meals. Oops. I'm going to give you some spaghetti and meatballs. Sausage meatballs. Sausage meatballs. Okay. And then I believe you can cut this. Okay. No, you don't get this right now. Let's put that in there. Let's wait. Let's add. Some lemon. Some mayo, some ketchup, some of that. Eat this. And this. You liked it. That's disgusting. Okay, let's do, whoops. Oh, okay, let's do this dude. Let's do 2 meals on him, and then that'll be the end. Just a quick video of how to play or something. Oh, you're a monster. Here, eat an onion. I don't know what that is. You can have... Ew, why'd you do that? Okay, let's... This... Put this in here, and let's also put this in here. Put some of that on. Some ketchup. Okay. Good. Two times. That chicken looks delicious. You're scary. Yes. Put this in a pot. Swish that around. Okay. Okay, let's make one more meal and then that'll be it. I'm gonna make a disgusting meal. Mwahaha, I'm gonna kill you. Okay. Yeah, I got to kill him. Ew, it turned green at the end. Okay. Now drink it. Oh, so it's the same. Disgusting. So, hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoy all my videos, be sure to subscribe. Eat that, eat this, eat that, eat that, eat that. Here, let's make him eat everything in the fridge for the last bit. And I'll talk. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoy this video, like it. So, hope you